Hey y'all, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I have Decocrated Halloween. Thinking about Halloween is like, what? It's too early. But then also thinking about Halloween is Halloween. I love decorating for Halloween. I love decorating for like nuanced holidays like 4th of July and Halloween. So the Halloween box is always a really, really big favorite of mine. So I have good and bad news for you. Let's start with the good news. I have both boxes, and I'm going to show you both the Halloween or the Decocrated Halloween add-on box, and I'm going to show you the Decocrated Halloween Plus box, because I have a feeling you guys are going to like this. So, what is this? Decocrated is a home decor subscription box. They have members-only exclusive pop-up boxes for holidays, and this is the Halloween one. So if you are interested in this box, you must sign up for Decocrated. If you're like, okay, what is Decocrated? The full fall 2022 spoiler video right here. Go check it out. Fabulous stuff. I personally really love the box. And I have a coupon code that you can sign up and become a member. So once you are a member and you get that fall box, you can then go in and purchase the Halloween box once it's live, and they'll let you know. They email and they put it on their Facebook groups and all of that stuff. There is, for this box, the regular add-on box is $49.99, and the new Plus box is $79.99, free US shipping with those. And down below in the description, I have all 3 Facebook groups for Decocrated. I have how to sign up to become a Decocrated member quarterly, so you can get this. That down in that description has a ton of information. It'll have the measurements for everything in the box, all of those good details. What do we need to know? The regular Halloween add-on box has 5 items, I think. And the new, I keep saying new, this is only their second time to do a Plus box, so it's new. The Plus box has 10 items, which are the 5 items from the regular box and 5 additional items. Plus box items are made for a tiered tray setting or a shelf. Good to know. The new Americana add-on box, I'll pop that up here, is the first one that I did. I loved it. I thought it was really, really cute. I have not peeked at anything. I have not seen anything. This is 100% a surprise. So I'm excited to see what's in here. On top, we have this little booklet, as always. They have the Deco Listens for Halloween. It is a QR code that you can scan, give them feedback on the box, and then you get entered to win a gift card. They really do read all of those, and this is what they use to curate future boxes. So you can post on like the Facebook groups or whatever, but those can't be read. Like, they don't have enough staff members to read through all of those. So when I was talking to them, I was like, how do we give you feedback? That's why they created this. So do the Deco Listens card. Here is the art for this season. Why is something so simple like this so cute to me? I love this. And look at the other side. I love it. It is so cute. It literally makes me smile to see it. And if you've been around here, I mean, anytime at all, you know that I like to cut paper bats out and put paper bats all up the front of my house outside, all around my fireplace. So this graphic right here super speaks to me. Okay, so we'll put these here. This is the booklet. I don't want to peek into it yet. We'll pull everything out, then we'll peek in here, but it spoils everything in the box. On the very first page is always a safe space to look at. It talks about the box. It gives us the color scheme, all of those great things. And then in the back of the booklet, it always gives us decorating tips and things to look at from the add-on shop. So we don't have to dive into that. Let's dive into this because I'm itching to see what's inside. Okay. Ooh, we haven't seen one of these in a while. We do have an empties box. So I'm going to go ahead and pull it and toss it to the side. On top, I see, is it a banner? It looks like a banner. Oh my gosh, it's a banner. That is so cute. So look how big it is. And it says trick or treat. So let me get a better look at this. It looks like it's made out of a canvas. So totally looks like it's something that can go indoor or outdoor. And these actually move. So you could push the letters really tightly together, like side by side by side, or even like kind of with a bend in them, like this. Or you could spread them out down the rope and have it, whoa, my banner's running away. Have it hang more spaced out like this. Very, very cool. Okay, canvas. I'm gonna say canvas. We'll see if the booklet says any different. This is what the front looks like, and here's what the back looks like. Okay. Love this guy so much. Oh, there's a bunch of things in here. We have, oh my gosh, that is so cute. This little pumpkin, I love the colors. Those are great, great colors. It's a great color. I love the green in that. Oopsie, I dumped this guy out. Oh, and then a little squash. Once again, I am digging these colors. When I decided I was going to put some peaches and peachy type colors into my decor, I did not realize that Decocrated was going to do the same thing. So that's a total hookup for me. What is this guy? Oh, that's kind of cool. It says Simply Blessed, but it totally will stand up. Propped against something. I thought it was a little wider, but if you had a tiered tray, you could totally prop it up like that guy right there. But it also has little hooks on the back. See the little hook right here? So you could hang it on a wall, or like if you have like a shelf and you want to put this part suspended on the shelf and then put items below. Here's this guy. These are little bitty guys. So these are like tiered trays. So I'm guessing these are the add-on box items because this guy is 7 inches long. 4 inches tall. This gourd is 5 inches tall, 3 inches wide. So, you know, they're little bitty guys. It would fit on a shelf or a tiered tray. What else do we have? There's a bunch of things in here. Pumpkin patch little truck. That is super cute and goes so good with the rest of these colors. Same thing with this little tiered tray sign. It could hang on the wall if you wanted to. Hold on. It's protected so it won't scratch other items in the box. See, there's a sawtooth hanger right there that you could totally hang this guy and make a collage wall or put it on your shelf. Autumn skies and pumpkin pies. That is cute, you guys. It's a little mini cutting board, but it can hang if you want it to. Once again, if you're making a collage wall, this can hang. Or you could set this on a tiered tray. Really cute, you guys. Really cute. We're still going. We're totally still going. This one says, give thanks. And once again, little sign that can totally sit on a shelf. But it is set to hang as well if you want to. Just to give you an idea on sizing once again. This little guy is 5 inches. So, tiered tray, shelf, collage wall, setup. And last but certainly not least is a mini garland. It's really cute. So here is the mini garland. I'm going to do like this and cover my face so that you can get more zoomed in on the design of the pieces. They're really, really cute. And we got a mini garland in our new Americana box, and it wrapped around the edge of my tiered tray to perfection. It was super cute. In fact, I actually took everything off the tiered tray and left that on there because it was so cute looking. And it's not very often you get a garland, like a garland that would fit on a tiered tray. So I have a sneaky suspicion these are add-on box items. In just a minute, we will totally look at the booklet and see what the booklet says and map everything out, lay it out accordingly. Okay, so there's, I'm gonna kind of move these guys like this. I feel like I can't see everything. Yay, okay, so much better. We still have another box. I'm trying to clear some space for this next box since we were filling up. I think I opened it upside down. What is this? Hold on. I'm gonna scoot one more time. This is cute. Oh I'm gonna hide this additional item. Oh, items! Hold on. Down here. We'll get to those in a sec. It's like a lantern, like paper bag style, but it's tin, obviously a million times more durable. And then once you put the light in, this pattern is gonna light up. I have a sneaky suspicion this is gonna be one of the items that gets added to the Decocrated marketplace as of in search of, because you totally could get a set of these and put them on either side of your door, or if you have a pathway, put a few of them up a pathway coming up to your front door. That would be so, so, so cute. Obviously, would look great on a mantle or a shelf as well. So this is what the front looks like. And then the sides are solid, so the light does reflect back. I love that the inside is orange while the outside is black, and it does have this gorgeous scalloped edge. I love this. It is 9 inches tall, 6 inches wide for those who are interested. Very, very cute. Then inside, it looks like a pillowcase or two. Is it 2 pillowcases? It's 2 pillowcases. Okay. This might be my favorite material we've received yet. I love the woven. This is kind of like that bluish green woven pillow we got like 3 years ago. Love the color, love the texture. There are 2 of them, so 1 and 2, and they just zip very smoothly. Pop your pillow in, you're ready to go. If you're new around here, you can pop the inside. It has all the information. This one says 17.5 by 17.5. So if you want a really solid filled but not overfilled look, and 18 by 18 is going to be great for you. I do have a preferred 18 by 18 pillow I love that is not overfilled. I do have that link below, but I also have a 20 by 20 that you can check out as well. I have that linked below to give a more firm and filled. Both sizes work, but a 20 by 20 makes a very firm, compact pillow, very poofy pillow, whereas an 18 by 18 makes a softer pillow that you can get the karate chop top to. Just once again, it depends on what you like. Both are a correct answer. Love the materials, love the color on these pillowcases. And then we have this guy down here. He says, boo, and they're 3 little ghosties that are hanging out. Really, I'm digging it. But then again, I love Halloween, so it's really easy for me to dig it. If you are new around here, and even if, oh, hold on, I got too much stuff down by my feet. If you've been around, we like to talk about the quality. Get a good expectation of what you should expect to see when you get your box. And Hobby Lobby is a great comparison. This is Hobby Lobby quality items. Not above, not below. Every once in a while, the pillowcases I'm really digging. So, I don't know. Yeah. So, when getting your box, I think that's a great thing to remember. Let's separate these up so we can run values. Let's see what the value on the boxes falls at. Okay, so the regular box has the Trick or Treat banner, this guy, both pillowcases, and the boo, and your double-sided art card. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here is the box that is still available. The add-on Halloween box, which is $49.99 with free shipping. I think that is an incredible deal. So $50. Let's take $10 off for shipping. So we're at $40. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. I'm not even gonna count the art card because sometimes y'all don't like it when I do that, even though it's an asset. I have every art card I have ever gotten from Decocrated in a protective folder that I use. And so now I can do 2 or 3 different art cards through the house. It's really, really cute. Anyways, let's say we're gonna call the box $40 because we took our shipping out for the 5 items. Masterful deal, like phenomenal value. We jump over here and we have the Harvest add-on box. This is the one I'm afraid is sold out. Once again, I'll loop back and let you know. But there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pieces. If this box comes back into inventory, it is $79.99. Once again, I think it's a really good value. What's really cool about this booklet as well is they do spend quite a bit of time showing you ideas on how to decorate. So they don't just send you these items and then you're like, what the heck do I do with them? They spend time showing you. So the QR code down here, you can scan to get more ideas. The little writing right here is actually the items from the add-on shop and past boxes so that you can reference, like, where did that come from? And then they talk about each piece, what it is, how to use it, how to decorate with it. They do make it really, really easy. And then if you follow them on their Facebook groups or you follow me, we all decorate with them. I'm going to do a complete Halloween decorate with me on this guy. But they have the pieces here. They also have the Facebook group. They have their like chats that they do. So you're really got a good support system in the box and how to get your pieces easily delivered to your door and how to decorate. We are going to decorate again, just like we did in that video with the Decocrated Halloween boxes. I'm just gonna do it on a separate video. Sometimes these videos get really long whenever I decorate 2 or 3 different spaces, plus I do the unboxing. And now that I'm not just unboxing 1 box, but I am unboxing 2 boxes with the plus box, I'm like, okay, we'll get our things out. We know what sizes they are. It's all down in the description below. We know the box is on its way. And while boxes are shipping, I'll start to release the different ways I am decorating with the items. And I feel like it's more digestible. Also makes it easier for you guys to share with a friend. So you can share this video for people who want to see box contents, and you can share the decorating video with anybody, whether they get the box or not, because I use all Halloween stuff. Like, it is all together and it is so much fun. So it makes it easier to share with a friend, share with Reddit, share in Facebook groups, wherever you want to share it. Sharing is always appreciated. It helps people discover what we're doing over here. Helps people realize what subscription boxes are available. It helps people realize that I like to decorate and I have a zany little decorating space in my little house that I love to flip, and my mantle's like my baby. And so, yeah, it's pretty fun over here. If you have not already joined our Facebook group, we do have Ask the Pink Envelope Facebook group. This is where we talk in detail about all these items. There'll be a thread on there for sure talking about the items, and that's when I'm able to give like really hands-on feedback. Like, what was this item like? Like, literally, this item is great. It can be easily hacked for those who like the hack because the back of it is empty. What is the quality? What are measurements? And I'm able to go through all of those things in real detail on that group, and we all work together to help each other. It's super fun. Okay, y'all, we're just getting started. We have so many more fall and Halloween boxes coming your way. So if you have not already subscribed to the channel, if you want a notification when I post, hit that bell and it will ding, email, all the things when a new video comes up. I don't post that often, so you don't have to worry about getting like attacked with videos. I am so thankful that you are here. I'm very excited about moving into this season of gratitude and thankfulness, and we have some fun things coming up that we get the privilege to be so thankful for. And so, needless to say, I'm pretty excited. I hope that you are having an absolutely amazing day. And if you subscribe to the channel, I'm going to see you later. Bye, y'all.